Hello. So, I guess the little thingamajiggy's there. Okay. So, I literally just stole this, like, tripod thing out of, Ed's office. I have no idea why he even needs a tripod thingy. Don't want to know. But anyway, I am totally sick. But, I just wanted to tell you a few things about how much of a dork I am. And I just got home and I got some nail mail. So, I got some new, I don't know what this is actually. It might be the accent nail samples. Maybe, if I can open it. Oh, look at this. So, I had ordered some of the nail files that I'll send with, and I give out with the nail polish strip samples. Look, they sent me a bunch of cool ones. And, holy cow, these are all the little accent nails. They are like Fort Knox in here. Please hold. Okay, I'm back. That was literally super hard. I had to take out my pocket knife and try not to kill myself to open it. So, these are so pretty. These samples that they sent me, holy cow. This is one of my favorites, but I haven't actually tried it yet. This is Shangri-La. It's like this big glitter. It's kind of transparent, so a lot of people like put this over other colors and stuff. It's very similar. Oh wait, it's on this now. It's very similar. I'm not flipping you off. To this glitter, which looks super pretty, but that's called Fort Worth It. That it's like a small glitter, whereas this is like a big glitter. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. That might have to be on my next one. Okay, so I got those accent nail samples. Then they sent me, this is Fiji Fuchsia. Holy cow, that's pretty. Hang on, I don't really know how to use this thing. It's like a pinky purple with like bigger glitter. I don't know how to use this thing. Okay, so maybe I see people on the internet doing things like this. Oh, hey, that really works. Look at me. Look at me. I'm going to be an Instagram influencer. Look at that. YouTuber. Facebook Liver. Look at that. Look at me. Look like I know what I'm doing. That's hilarious. Ooh. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, and then look. This is like the most popular glitter. Tokyo Lights. I've actually worn this. I had it, there's a picture on my Instagram of this. I had this on my toes. I just took it off so I could put the mermaid on. And I had it as an accent nail before. It's like pinky purple glitter with like some pieces of bigger glitter. And it's like a peachy color. It's like you can totally wear this with anything. There, look at that. Wow, this like really works. No wonder people do this. Okay, so Tokyo Lights, awesome. So those are the glitter samples, or accent nails. Then I got a few of the nail art. This is like a flower one. It's called For a Good Time. Hey, for a good time. I like that. That's pretty cool. I like that. That would be really cute with just like a neutral pink or like a peachy kind of color. Then, Don't Quit Your Daydream. I like this one. It reminds me of Easter, but it's also like kind of marbly, that kind of thing. Please hold. Okay, hopefully they're done freaking out and barking. Then, this one, Nuclear Fuchsia. I don't think I've ever seen this one. This is super pretty. It's like purple pink and like a lighter pink. That's super duper pretty. Look at that. It's like a glitter, but it's like an ombre kind of situation. I like that. So these are my little accent nails that came in. I keep looking at the wrong spot. I'm supposed to be looking over there, I guess. These are my accent nails that came in. If you would like some, go to sample.tuffaznails.com. That's Tuffaz nails.com, and I will, and just fill out the form on there, and I will send you some samples. You can even email me, polishandoil or at Gmail, and you can email me or just fill out that sample form, sample.tuffaznails.com. Or if you want like the full sets of these, go ahead and go to tuffaznails.com, Tuffaz nails.com, and you can get the full sets of any of these colors. Pretty cool. I'm pretty excited about this. Thank you for watching my little hokey video. My first video ever that's going to be on YouTube. Imagine that. Ah! Anyway, see you later. Thanks. Bye.